Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to change League of Legends name for free. So I have opened my League of Legends in my PC right now. Here, this is the League of Legends. You just need to click on this store icon at the top corner of your game, and it will load you to your store. So here you just need to click on account at the rightmost side of the page, and you will see something like Riot ID change. Click on that and click on continue. So it will open a site on your browser. You just need to log in with your account. So after you have entered your username and password, they might send you a verification email to your email that is connected to your. Copy the code and enter the code here. Click on this arrow button and you will be directed to this site. After that, you will see something like Riot ID in account management. You just need to change your game name here. So you can see I have my game name and my tagline, which somebody needs in order to be friend with me in my Riot Games. So just change this and click on Save Changes. And these are all the things you need to do in order to change your League of Legends name. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.